First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need a 4-inch piece of fresh ginger, 6 peeled garlic cloves, 1 jalapeno, 2 pounds of ground chicken, a large bunch of cilantro, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 14-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk, half a teaspoon of granulated sugar, 5 ounces of baby spinach, and 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Begin by grating the ginger, garlic, and jalapeno using the small holes of a box grater or a microplane. If you don't have either, a fine chop will work just as well. Split your grated mixture in half. Place 1/2 in a large bowl and set the other half aside for later. In the large bowl, add your ground chicken, finely chopped cilantro, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and a teaspoon of salt. Use your hands or a fork to mix everything together. Be careful not to overmix though. You want the ingredients to be just combined. Next, form 2-inch meatballs from the mixture. You can use your hands or an ice cream scoop. Heat the oil in a large Dutch oven or pot over medium-high heat. Add the meatballs in batches, making sure they are in a single layer. Cook until they are golden brown on 2 sides, which should take about 5 to 8 minutes. Once browned, transfer them to a plate and repeat the process with the rest of the meatballs, adding oil as needed. After all the meatballs are browned and out of the pot, reduce the heat to medium. Add the reserved ginger mixture and sauté until fragrant. This should take about a minute. Then stir in the chicken broth, coconut milk, sugar, and remaining fish sauce. Bring the mixture to a simmer. Add the meatballs and any juices from the plate and simmer until the flavors meld together and the meatballs are cooked through. This should take about 5 to 8 minutes. Remove the pot from the heat and stir in the spinach and lime juice. Now you're ready to serve. Divide rice among bowls and top with meatballs, broth, and cilantro. Serve with lime wedges for that extra zesty kick. Share your cooking experience in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to Magnolia Moon. Here's to 1,000 subscribers and beyond. Happy cooking, everyone!